Hey, this is Danielle, and today I'm going to talk about Nvidia because I just entered a new options position in this ticker. The reason for that is because it's been trying to recover for a while, but it hasn't really quite made it. However, at this point, we have a squeeze that's been consolidating for a long time, and that squeeze is just now showing a shift in momentum. You can see that that bearish momentum has shifted to the upside because you have this yellow candle right here. And at least earlier today, it was up above the 50 simple. Just at the very end of the session there, it did come back down and close below it. So not 100% ideal, but I still feel like, bounced really well off the 200 simple. It recovered. It has had follow through. We have earnings coming up on the 26th, and taking a look at the earnings hot zone data, you'll see that on average, the ticker trades by about 7% higher during this time frame. So, I'm taking a position here. I know that there is quite a bit of resistance between 215 and 220, but I think if this squeeze can cause the breakout up above 215, we could end up back in here, 230, maybe 235 before earnings. So I did go ahead and buy the long calls in the earnings series in the options room. So if you want to join me in the Mastering the Trade room, take a look at the link below. Also, if you want to keep an eye on the earnings calendar, just make sure you go to optionsearnings.com. With this calendar, what you will see is that you are able to come in and create your own calendar. You can edit it. You can cross off the tickers that you're really not interested in, and then you can create your own custom version so that you know which tickers are reporting earnings. You can also click on the individual tickers and you can see some interesting facts surrounding the tickers along with a little bit more data. So hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the trading room or the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.